Okay, my two booster boxes for Digimon card game Ultimate Power have finally arrived. I had to sell a kidney to pay the import fee, but I have them, which is the main thing. Um, I'm gonna open at least one of them tonight. I think I'm just gonna sit and watch Naruto and open one. If I'm in the mood for it, I'll open another one. But they'll be in the same video. I'll just like cut it off. I don't care. But okay, time lapse, cards, opening, happening. Let's go. Okay, right, I'm back. I got crazy lucky in this. Right, I picked out, these are my personal favourites out of the cards in the set, I think, excluding supers and secrets. So we got Sumamon, Vmon, Betamon. Oh, he's sick. Pinocchimon or Puppetmon, depending on whatever. Toyagumon. Love the CRT monitor in the background. That's cool. Inframon, Hyandramon, and Devimon. He just looks insane. Love it. Okay, now for the super rares. Oh, for the holos. All four Spheedramon, Millenniumon, Rust Tyrannomon, Metal Garurumon, Machinedramon or Mugendramon. He looks insane. It's fantastic. Wargreymon. Diaboromon was really wanting this card. Really wanting this. He's insane looking. And then Secret Rare Reverse Black Wargreymon. Is that in shot? Yeah. Secret Rare Reverse Black Wargreymon and Secret Rare Reverse Beelzebumon. What? That is insane luck. I am a very happy boy. Now I've kept the get the Tamer cards to last. I just want Joe. If I get Joe, I'll be on the moon, on the moon, on the moon, over the moon. Okay. Who we got? Give me Joe. Give me Joe. Oh, Tai. I will take Tai. Tai Chi. That's acceptable. One more chance at Joe. Come on, give me Joe. Ah, it's a Sora. That's fine. Sora's fine too. There we go. I think that about wraps it up. I'm happy. Looking forward to what they do for set 3. Thanks for watching.